In this video, I will show you how to add custom fonts in Canva. So the first step is to simply open your design and then you're gonna have to simply add some text. So as you can see, I have this text here that says custom fonts. So what you're gonna have to do next is make sure that you installed the font, you downloaded the font on your computer. So if you want, you can simply go to this website, which is called the font, and here you can find all these fonts and they are completely free. So you can basically search for the type of font that you need for your design. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on download, and after that you're gonna have to go back to Canva. Now first of all, you're gonna have to make sure to unzip this folder, and as you can see I have this file which has this extension which is called TTF. So the next step is to select your text, then go to fonts and then simply click on upload a font here at the bottom, and then you're gonna have to select the font that you just unzipped and then simply click on yes, and then you're gonna have to simply wait until this is uploaded. And as you can see here on the left side, you're gonna have this section which is called uploaded fonts. So simply select it, and as you can see now we have our custom font. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.